this segment, we want to talk about our new relaunch of our tools. Now, we had these about 10 years ago, and they're super premium, and we're excited to relaunch them. We are in stock now and shipping, but let's walk through them. Haida?
Yes, let me explain to you why we are so proud of our tools. I think Chantal Utensils perform beautifully. To achieve the ultimate in function, comfort, and beauty, we incorporated 3 innovative designs. One is the feature of the handle being curved, and we integrated into the design of the curve from architecture the golden mean. It fits perfectly into your hand. It always bothered me that your hand is curved and all kitchen tools are straight. And then the other is that we fill the hollow space with cement. So if you leave the tool in the pot, the handle does not get hot, and it gives it perfect balance. It doesn't wobble, it holds the cement in the handle, holds the tool down. And the third, we used the shape of our iconic Chantal knob for the loop on the handle, so you can hang the kitchen tools on a tool rack.
Now, I'm lucky enough to have some of our original tools, and I'm super excited that we're relaunching some of my favorites.